Making this dress is pretty simple. All you need is 4 yards fabric. I put the patterns on the top of the cutting mat for your reference on the measurement. This is a centerpiece, you need 1. This is a side piece on the front, you need 2 pieces. And this one is the side piece on the back, you will need 2 pieces. And this one is the center back piece, you will need 2 pieces. This triangle piece increases the volume of your dress. You can have it longer, shorter, wider, narrow, according to your preference. Here's the big picture. All you need is 7 pieces to make the basic pattern. Here's the way to lay out the patterns against the fabric. I try to maximize the fabric in length without waste any inches. Now flip over the right to the left. From top, geometric patterns match down to the bottom. I cut the front centerpiece, back centerpiece in one direction first, and the side panels I realized a little bit short of the material. I just switched the direction, so you can tell now geometrically they don't match exactly, but create a very artistic look. Here's the neckline of the fabric. I cut off the border so it looks very naturally beautiful without sewing. Same to the bottom, no sewing, just cut off the borderline. Now I'm making headpiece. I'm using this sport hat and copy down this one piece here to make 6 pieces. You transfer the pattern to the paper and then cut the best corner pattern of the fabric. Put all of them together, sewing together. Now I'm making gloves, put my hand there, make the patterns, and then I transfer to the paper. How to glue rhinestones, please check out my video. Now here's the party, from head to toe. Gloves, shoes, all are in same color.